Alright, tech fans, gather round because we need to talk about a ghost from Samsung. It's past that might just be coming back to haunt the mid-range market in a good way. Remember the Galaxy A7X series? That almost flagship line that gave us premium features without the flagship price tag? We all thought it was gone for good, but a new leak suggests the Galaxy A77 could be making a dramatic comeback, and the specs are honestly kind of wild. So here's the scoop. A mysterious device with the model number SM-A776B just appeared on Geekbench, and the details are raising a lot of eyebrows. It's rumored to be packing a brand new Exynos chip with a massive 10-core CPU. But wait, it gets better. The GPU is supposedly an Xclipse 940, which is the same graphics architecture Samsung uses in its top-tier Exynos 2400 flagship chips. Putting that kind of power in a mid-range phone? That's a seriously bold move from Samsung. The benchmark listing also shows 8GB of RAM running on Android 16 with One UI 8. Now, let's translate those benchmark scores for you. A single-core score of 1673 and a multi-core score of 5597. In simple terms, this phone could be an absolute powerhouse. We're talking smooth, lag-free gaming, effortless multitasking, and snappy performance even with demanding apps. If this is real, it's a game-changer for everyone. From students who need a reliable device for schoolwork to creators editing on the go. And of course, mobile gamers looking for high-end performance without breaking the bank. Honestly, a phone like this is exactly what Samsung needs right now. There's a pretty big price and performance gap between their popular Galaxy A5X series and their flagship S series phones. The Galaxy A77 could slot perfectly into that sweet spot, offering a premium experience that many people have been missing. It fills a void that's been empty for far too long. But before we get too carried away, let's pump the brakes just a little. We have to be realistic here. Some industry experts are skeptical, suggesting the Geekbench listing could be a fake. It's possible it was spoofed from a rooted flagship device to stir up excitement. So, let's manage our expectations and hype responsibly. As of right now, Samsung has been completely silent. There have been no official teasers, no event announcements, absolutely nothing to confirm this device even exists. The battery size, the charging speed, and of course, the camera setup. If those specs live up to the performance promises we're seeing, the Galaxy A77 could easily become the most talked about mid-range phone of the year. So, what's your take on all this? And don't forget to subscribe for more updates.